If u is a function of x, show that the derivative of c times u with respect to x equals c times the derivative of u with respect to x. So let us prove this statement. First, we need to understand the given statement. So u here is a function of x, and c is actually a constant, and we want to prove that the derivative of a constant times a function u, which is in terms of x, and with respect to x, is equal to the constant times the derivative of u with respect to x. So that's why we need to let a function y equals c times u. So u here is a function of x, or u is in terms of x. And of course, c is a constant. Now, since y is equal to c times u, y plus delta y will be equal to c times u plus delta u. So, if there is a change in u, there must be a corresponding change in y. Meaning, if we add delta u here on the right side, we must add also delta y on the left side of the equation. Now, we have delta y equals c times u plus delta u minus y, right? So we transpose y to the right side of the equation. So hence, delta y is equal to c times u plus delta u minus y. What is y? Y is cu, right? Y is cu. We have cu here. So by definition, especially using the first principle in finding the derivative of y with respect to x is actually equal to the limit of delta y over delta x as delta x approaches to 0. In fact, the derivative of y with respect to x is actually equal to delta y over delta x. If there is a change in x, there must be a corresponding change in y. So x is an independent variable. There is a change in x, there must be a change in y. And that is the essence of the derivative. Now, using the first principle, we have dy dx equals the limit of delta y. So delta y is c times u plus delta u minus cu. And then all over delta x as delta x approaches to 0. Now let us simplify. Limit as delta x approaches to 0, distribute c, cu plus c times delta u minus cu all over delta x. So we can cancel out cu. So we have the limit of c times delta u over delta x as delta x approaches to 0. Now, using the formula for limit, if we have a constant here, we can write that constant here, c times the limit of delta u over delta x as delta x approaches to 0. And what is this? This part is actually the first principle in finding the derivative, and that is equal to du dx, right? Earlier, dy dx is equal to the limit of delta y over delta x as delta x approaches to 0. So here, we have the limit of delta u over delta x as delta x approaches to 0. So that's why this part is the derivative of u with respect to x. So that is dy dx, derivative of y with respect to x. Now, since we know that dy dx is equal to the derivative of y with respect to x, they are just the same, right? And since we let y be equal to cu, Then, we have shown that the derivative of cu with respect to x is equal to c times the derivative of u with respect to x. And that is the end of proof.